Hey guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Lex.
My name is Brenda and you guys can call me B. And this is our first YouTube video. If you guys want to see how we achieve this look, then just keep on watching. We're gonna do like the priming and like the whole makeup. We are gonna do just like a very simple makeup just for our first video. It's just like a get to know us, what to expect.
We are both 24 years old, gonna be 25 this year.
Yes.
Which is a little scary.
Yeah, I was scared when I was 21 to get older.
I'm gonna be getting married this year. Hopefully we can do some bridal tutorials for everyone. Maybe we can, like I could do one on myself and then we'll have Brenda probably do her version on me. Since we are like in our mid-20s, hopefully we can make these videos appealing to like younger girls and boys and older people as well. So not just our age group.
I'm gonna talk a little bit about more like my type of skin. So I do have a combination, but mostly oily.
I'm just like Brenda. I'm a little bit combination oily.
I started wearing makeup when I was in 6th grade. I only wore like a little bit of eyeliner or anything like that because my mom she's Hispanic, so she was more like, no, like don't shave, don't wear makeup, don't do this, don't do that. Mom, I wore makeup 6th grade.
My dad was the one who actually convinced my mom to let me start wearing makeup, but that wasn't until like 8th grade, I think.
And a little bit more about me and Lex. We work together.
Yes, that's how we started our friendship.
Me and Lex will do different videos. So not just makeup, we will do more of, we'll do vlogs, we'll do challenges. What else?
Unless you guys just want to see makeup tutorials.
Yeah, just be like, oh, you know, on the comments down below, like, can you guys just make a video or a tutorial for your guys' makeup? What do you guys use? I like to do more warm, more brown, shimmers, anything like that. Oh, and by the way, me and Lex, most of our videos will be together. But if there's a day where I don't know, feel like recording something and she's not around with me,
we'll still make the video.
Yeah. So sorry if like sometimes like you're probably expecting both of us, but sometimes it just might be her or it might just be myself.
Yeah. You can give us your feedback on if you like those types of videos.
Yeah.
If not, we can just strictly film together. Are you using my shit? Oh no.
I was like, why are you looking at me?
Because
so
I knew you.
I have my own. She thinks that apparently I'm stealing.
No, because you were using
this is gonna create a fight.
You were using the peach one first.
Oh yeah, I know. Because
she didn't want my dog to lick her face off. Comment below if you guys are dog lovers.
Yeah,
I'm a very big dog lover.
Yeah, I like dogs. I mean, I like all animals. But
yes.
Like I love birds, which is weird.
No, see, that is my biggest.
I
hate birds. Yeah, what are you guys afraid of? Let's see.
What am I afraid
Brenda,
of?
what are you afraid of?
I think it's like a Hispanic thing. I'm just afraid of being like the dark. Like if I'm like somewhere like pitch black, like something's gonna get me under my bed. If that would be bad or something like that, then she'd be like, oh, like they're gonna get you under the bed or in the side of the closet, and I'm like, fuck.
That's
She's
brutal.
being for real. Like, it's scary.
And you're still scared.
And I'm still scared. Like,
you guys can also comment below like what products you want to see us use. If you have any specifics that you want to see us try out, or maybe
like do like a wear test or like first impression, anything like that. Like we're
even if it's out of our like
comfort
zone with like foundations. If it is a dewy one, you could see what it looks like on our skin types. And we can give you our like honest opinion.
So our videos will be hopefully we'll be uploading on
Sundays and Wednesdays, hopefully.
So just bear with us for the first couple videos, yeah.
And hopefully we can get it down really fast.
Okay. I'm done. Basically, I'm just gonna set my makeup. that was a wrap.
Alright guys, so this is our final look. We hope you guys enjoyed it.
And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. And that's it.
Thanks
Bye,
for
guys.
watching. I don't know what the fuck to say.
Okay, just okay, go for it.
I don't know what to say though. I can't
Okay,
get
just
my...
smile then. In this video, God, my eyes crying. Oh shit, it is crying. I feel like I look so mean. I feel like I did like I rolled my eyes like 4 times. To be honest, and I didn't even notice.
We'll see you in our next one.
Bye guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.